it's me, Mario, and today we're gonna watch the fireworks here at Port Macquarie. It's gonna be great, yay! And guess who came today? Yes, the Inklings came.
Yeah, me Inkling girl. And me Inkling boy, yeah. So we're gonna watch it, yeah. Yeah.
Wow, and it's me, Shy Guy. I'm so shy. I don't like fireworks, but Mario forced me.
No, I didn't. I just told you to come, and you said yes.
Oh, fine. Ha ha ha.
So, let's watch the fireworks. In 3, 2, 1, now. Oh yes, the fireworks. Haha. Oh no, people are in the way. Oh. Yay.
Wow, I don't like fireworks. I'm so scared.
Shy Guy, come and watch them, come on.
Okay, I'll watch them. Oh, I'm so shy of fireworks. No.
Haha, fireworks. Haha. Wow. Need to go a bit higher. Oh, you're quite big. Hey Inklings, are you there? Inklings?
Yeah, me Inkling boy's here. Oh yeah. That's pretty cool. Yeah, same, that's pretty cool. Wow. Whoa. Ah. Ah. That's pretty cool. Yeah. Wow. Are they gonna make them go a bit higher? Because we can barely see them because of the cars in the way. Oh, cars? Seriously? Oh. Yeah, that sucks. Oh. Yeah.
Hey Shy Guy, what are you doing over there?
Well, oh, fine, I'll watch it. Hopefully there's no scary ones. I don't like scary ones. Oh, there's big ones. I don't like big ones.
Okay. Okay. Ooh, more fireworks, yay! They're getting bigger. They're getting bigger. Whoa, that's a big one. Whoa. And more people in the way. Great. Just great. Whoa. Whoa. Shy Guy, take a look at this.
Well, okay. Okay.
Whoa.
Oh, it's so scary for me.
Shy Guy, just watch it.
Wow. Oh, it's pretty loud. Oh.
Ooh.
Wow. Oh. At least there's no big ones.
Yeah. Not too big. They're gonna shoot some a bit higher, so you can barely see them. Okay. I'm gonna fall asleep.
Wow, why did Mario fall asleep?
I'm bored.
Where are the big ones? I thought there were gonna be big ones. I'm not too scared anymore. Okay.
Oh.
Oh, they're big ones again. Oh no. Oh, it's getting a bit noisy again.
Okay.
Wow. Whoa, they're getting bigger. Whoa. Yeah. Now that's really cool. Whoa. 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 Whoa, what was that one? Whoa. Making strange noises. Ah. Yeah. Oh, like meow. Meow. Wow. Whoa, big ones. Yeah. Whoa, that was loud.
Well, I didn't like that.
Shy Guy, just watch it.
Oh, fine. Fine, I'll watch it. Oh, no. Oh no, they're getting bigger. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, they're getting bigger. Oh no. Oh no, they're big. Ah, that scared me. Ah, oh no.
Shy Guy, it's not that bad. It's just fireworks. Come on.
Okay. Okay. Wow, this is so scary.
Calm down, Shy Guy.
Wow. Wow.
This is getting a bit repetitive, to be honest. Ugh.
Oh no, they're getting big again. Oh.
Ugh.
Yeah, that's cool. Well,
Yeah, it's pretty cool, but it's getting a bit repetitive.
yeah, true. Wow. Yeah.
Whoa.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Oh no, there's people in the way again. Aw. Oh, they're getting big again. Do they do this for 10 minutes, or how long do they do this for? Whoa. That's big. Very big. Yeah. Yeah. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, they're getting big. Whoa. No. Oh. Whoa. Whoa. Cool. Whoa. Oh. they really big. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Shy Guy, take a look at this.
Oh no, they're big. Oh no.
No, calm down, Shy Guy.
Oh, they're so big. They're too big. They're too big.
It's really funny. Link is missing out on this. Take that, Link.
Oh, they're too big. That's scary. Oh no. Oh, they're too big. Too loud.
Oh, that's it. Wow. That was good. Well, guys, thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.